Hindi puwedeng hindi kami sa Jollibee mag-celebrate kasi kada dumadaan yung sasakyan, Jollibee, Jollibee, Jollibee. Actually, March talaga birthday ni Zoe. Fully book na ang March. So, ginawa naming April kasi hindi puwedeng hindi sa Jollibee.
Hey, hey, come on in. It's party time. Balloons on the ceiling, dancing overhead. Paper hats are spinning, red, blue, yellow, red. The table's full of sprinkles, sticky finger grin. Tap your little
Gusto ko yung pagiging madaldal niya, yung ganyan. Kasi nababago yung parang nakakabago siya, nakagaan siya ng pakiramdam, nakakawala siya ng stress. Sana wag siyang magbago ng pagtanda niya. Pagtandaan niya, sana nagkukwento siya.
big party day, big party day. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Big party day, big party day, big party.
Everyone, walk with me in a new journey. This is your favorite land, Theme Park Party!
Big party day, we dance, we jump, we sing away. Happy birthday, Zoe! Friends in a line.
Happy birthday, Zoe!
Favorite time.
Ako yung qualities na gusto ko sa kanya is yung una is yung niya, yung pagsayaw-sayaw niya at pagkanta-kanta niya.
Everybody's laughing and asking for more.
Talos ng memorya nitong batang to. Kapag napapanood niya sa TV, nagagaya niya agad.
Spin around the room now, all day long.
Huwag siyang magbago, maging bibo siya.
Ready to go. Count to 3 and watch us glow. Big party day, big party day. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Big party day, big party day. We dance, we jump, we sing away. Cake on the plate.
Senior ID!
Big party day is our favorite time.
Sana lahat ng desisyon niya sa future, gabayan ng Panginoon, huwag siyang maligaw, tapos lumaki talaga siyang blessing para sa lahat.
Good health talaga kasi health is wealth. Tapos mapalaki namin siya na may takot kay Lord.
Big party day, big party day. Clap your hands and shout hooray. Big party day, big party day. We dance, we jump, we sing. Happy birthday, Zoe! Gonna play friends in a line.
Happy birthday, Zoe! Yay!
Time. Big party day.
Kagagaling lang namin sa Disneyland. So may binili siya dong Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse actually. So lagi niya sasabi, Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Nagiging baby niya si Minnie Mouse.
Cake on a plate.
Best friend, Hattie!
Big favorite time. Big party day.
Ang lagi ko siyang nire-record kahit araw-araw para lang maalala ko pag matanda na ako. Pero sana siya, pag nababalikan niya, ma-appreciate niya rin yung buhay na meron siya. Tapos lagi mapagpasalamat siya.
We jump, we sing away. Cake on a plate.
Zoe, kung napapanood mo to, sana proud ka sa mga life experiences mo, sa pagtanda mo. Lagi kaming nandito para sa'yo.
Big party day.
Salamat kay Lord kasi sa provision at sa birthday celebration ni Zoe.